Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Drive for desktop and enable folder sync. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Google Drive for desktop, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Google Drive website at drive.google.com. Look for the option that says Download Drive for desktop. Click on that link to be redirected to the download page. Once the page loads, locate the download button. Click on the download button to begin downloading the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Google Drive installer file and double-click it to run. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After the installation, open Google Drive for desktop from your Applications or Start menu. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. Once signed in, you'll see options to enable specific folder synchronization. Choose whether you want to sync your entire drive or select specific folders. To enable folder sync, click on Preferences in the app. Here, you can select the folders you would like to sync with your computer. Make your selections and click Done to save your settings. Now, Google Drive will sync the chosen folders to your desktop. You can check the sync status in the app interface. Whenever changes are made to the synced folders, they will automatically update. This completes the process of downloading Google Drive for desktop and enabling folder sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.